Hello, 7th standard CBSE children. Today we are going to revise nutrition in animals for your test that you are going to write in a few hours. Okay, I hope you have learned well. Nutrition in animals. I am just going to discuss question answers. As we know, creative question or uh, textbook questions. The textbook questions I already given as a question bank that you have learned. Now you will do some objective questions and creative questions, right? Now, next one, select the correct option. In that, you can pause the video and then you can go through the question, right? The first one, which of the following animal swallows its food? Options, snake, goat, mosquito, hummingbird. Idhila goat only will swallow its food. Okay. Whereas hummingbird will suck nectar, mosquito will suck blood from the human body. Anala goat will swallow its food. Second question, what is the mode of intake of mosquito? By the method of sucking. Mosquito will suck blood. Third question again, hummingbirds suck nectar of the plants. So answer the first 1B goat, second A sucking, third B suck. Okay. Observe the figures. Animal, you have to fill up the kind of food and mode of feeding. இது வந்து கையில் ஒரு நோட்டு வச்சுக்கோ இல்லைன்னா பென்சில் வச்சுட்டு எழுதிக்கோ அப்புறம் you can understand. It is given in our textbook also. So, animal, butterfly, kind of food வந்து nectar. Mode of feeding, siphoning. Siphoning na உறிஞ்சிறது. அது பேரு siphoning. நம்ம வந்து straw போட்டு உரிவோம்ல அதான் siphoning. So, butterfly, nectar, siphoning. Blood, second one, leech, blood sucking. Third one, rabbit. Rabbit will eat seeds and fruits. And அப்படி நுனி பல்லால் அப்படி கடிக்கும்ல biting. அது பேரு gnawing. G-N-A-W-I-N-G. எழுதிக்கோ. G-N-A-W-I-N-G. Gnawing. Fourth figure, it is ant. It eats insects, fruits and vegetables. Ant eats insect, fruits and vegetable, and mode of feeding is called scrapping. அப்படியே முழுசா முழுங்காது, அது வந்து அப்படியே அரிச்சுண்டே scrapping. Then fifth one, snake. It eats small animals like rats and eggs of other animals. And the mode of feeding of swallowing. I hope you understand this. So these are the pages you need to fill up. And then the questions can be asked. Are you clear? Then second one, fill in the blanks of the given passage. Adla plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Nama first lesson படிச்சோம்ல, that one. Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Animals depend on plants directly, and the word விட்டுருக்கு பாரு, or indirectly ன்னு போட்டுருக்கு பாரு, புரியுதா? Directly or indirectly for nutrition. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirements. என்னெல்லாம் பாரு, mode of nutrition requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. Utilization in the body. And the mode of taking food into the body varies in different organism. Fill up on the varies. V-A-R-I-E-S. And next to 4 fill up. That is siphoning in different organism. Siphoning, sponging, sucking. Siphoning, sponging, sucking and chewing are some of the mode of intake of food in body by different animals. I hope you understand. I repeat the fill up. Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Or fill up. Second, dash of food, another mode of intake of food, and its third fill up and the utilization. And fourth fill up varies. 5, 6, 7, 8 and the siphoning, sponging, sucking and chewing. I hope you have filled up. Identify the organism in the image given below and how it takes food from the surroundings. Food from the surroundings. That's incomplete surrounding. The spelling fill panikku. Surroundings. The figure is starfish. நம்ம textbook la starfish பத்தி அந்த அப்படியே paragraph இருக்கு. அது அப்படியே எழுதணும். Alright. Then second one, digestion in human. Question follow பண்ணிடுவா. Which of the following is not a part of buccal cavity? Which of the following is not a part of buccal cavity? Teeth, tongue, esophagus and salivary glands. I repeat, teeth, tongue, esophagus and salivary glands. Answer வந்து C, esophagus. Buccal cavity ல வந்து teeth, tongue, salivary gland தான் இருக்கும். Esophagus வந்து இருக்காது. அதனால not a part of buccal cavity வந்து esophagus. I hope you could understand this. Second one, dash teeth is for tearing and piercing. Incisors, canine, premolar, molar. Tearing and piercing வந்து canine. Third one, dash is the process of using the absorbed nutrients by the body cells for producing energy. Energy is full complete பண்ணிக்க sentence. Energy and for growth of the body. Answer, digestion, absorption, assimilation, defecation. இது வந்து assimilation. Assimilation is the process of using the absorbed nutrients. I hope you understand. Then match the column and select the correct option. A, mechanical breakdown of food by chewing. B, வந்து passage that connects mouth to stomach. C, chemical digestion of protein starch. And D, வந்து it stores bile. So first you have to match the column. என்னலாம் mechanical breakdown of food by chewing வந்து mouth. Passage that connects mouth to stomach வந்து esophagus. Chemical digestion of protein starts in the stomach. Stores bile, gallbladder. So answer வந்து C, D, A, B. அந்த இது வருது இல்லையா C, D, A, B. அதாவது ஏக்கு வந்து third answer, Bக்கு வந்து fourth answer, Cக்கு வந்து first answer, Dக்கு வந்து second option. So அது வந்து இந்த ABCD இதுல இந்த 4 ஆப்ஷன்ல எது வருதுன்னா அதுல A ஆப்ஷன் அதான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். கிளியரா புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கணும். அந்த மேட்ச் பண்ணின கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் வந்து இந்த 4 ஆப்ஷன் ABCDல எது இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து fill பண்ணணும். இல்ல கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் வந்து A. சரியா? The next one, the liver and pancreas release their secretions into small intestine. Large intestine கிடையாது. Stomach, esophagus already இருக்கு. So it is small intestine. The fifth question la D option la esophagus sentence complete பண்ணிக்கோ. Right? Then question number 6, inner lining of the stomach does not secrete. Digestive juice எல்லாமே உண்டு. Mucus இருக்கு. Hydrochloric acid உண்டு. Stomach will secrete hydrochloric acid. Saliva தான் கிடையாது. Because saliva is secreted by salivary gland. So option C is the correct answer. Now question 7. Which of the following options shows the correct sequence of the flow of food from the mouth to the anus? ANUS. Answer, sequence பாரு. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. அதுதான் correct option. இதெல்லாம் go through பண்ண correct option வந்து A. Digestion of food does not take place in large intestine. Large intestine, the small intestine, digestion will be completed. So, large intestine, no digestion will occur. Then fill in the blanks. Saliva breaks down starch present in the food into sugars. Saliva breaks down the starch present in the food into sugars. Second one, small intestine is about 7.5 meter long. Small intestine is about 7.5 meters long. I hope you are noting down the answer also. When video pause panni note panni, no nothing wrong in it. You can understand easily. இந்த மாதிரி தான் நான் அந்த இன்னைக்குள்ள டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு கேட்பேன். Okay. Then during the act of swallowing, the passage of fill up on the windpipe is closed to guide the food into food pipe. So answer on the windpipe or food pipe. Then fourth question, water and salts are absorbed from the undigested food in the large intestine. Water and salts are absorbed from the undigested food in the large intestine. Right? Then fifth question, bile helps in the digestion of fat present in the food. Answer on the fat. 6. The color of a solution containing water and chewed boiled rice will not change in color when iodine solution is added. Yenaka, the starch, when the food is taken, the starch irukkum, so that only will turn into blue when blue-black when iodine is added. But boiled rice la வந்து starch வந்து digest ஆயிரும், convert ஆயிரும். So the color of a solution containing water and chewed boiled rice will not change in color. Answer வந்து will not change in color when iodine solution is added. Seventh one, the first set of teeth grows during infancy. Infancy in a child is called milk teeth. Diarrhea, note panika, diarrhea is a condition in which a person passes watery stool frequently. Watery stool na loose motion. Diarrhea, fill up on the diarrhea. Spelling DIARRHOEA. Question 9. Tongue helps to make saliva with the food during chewing. Then the tongue. Then 10th one, the finger-like projections in the small intestine are called villi. Villus singular, villi plural. I hope you understand. Then question C. Observe the given figures and answer the questions that follow. Given figure shows arrangement of different types of teeth in adult human. Label the type. First one, molar. Second, premolar. The box la fill pannu. First one, molar. Second, premolar. Third, canine. Fourth, incisor. I repeat, molar, premolar, canine and incisor. Right? Then question 2. Given figure shows human digestive system. Label its different parts. First one, the buccal cavity, salivary gland. Now the first in the portion children. In the red point, in the portion children. First salivary gland. Second buccal cavity. Third stomach. Fourth pancreas. Fifth small intestine. Sixth one the rectum. I repeat, buccal cavity, salivary gland, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, rectum. And in the side, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, anus. Esophagus, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, anus. I hope you could follow this. Then say true or false. Food which we eat passes through a continuous canal is called digestive tract. True. The process of taking digestive food into blood vessel is called assimilation. அது வந்து false. ஏன்னா அது assimilation கிடையாது. Process of taking food, digested food taking into blood vessel is called assimilation. ஒரு நிமிஷம். Is called assimilation. By producing energy and for growth, the assimilation is the process of using absorbed nutrients by the body cells for producing energy and growth of the body. அதனால இது வந்து false. Egestion of undigested food occurs from the large intestine. அதுவும் false. Digestion of carbohydrate begins in the buccal cavity. That is true. I hope you are marking. The next one, next one is continuation of the true or false. One minute. Continuation of the true or false. Fifth one, each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to the surface. True. Fifth one, true. Sixth one, pancreatic juice acts only on the fats present in the food. Pancreatic juice acts only on the fats present in the food. அது வந்து false. அப்புறம் ஏன்னா இது வந்து புரோட்டீன் கார்போஹைட்ரேட்லையும் ஆக்ட் பண்ணும். Seventh one, large intestine is wider and longer than the small intestine. False. Stomach is like a flattened U-shaped bag. True. Canines are used for chewing and grinding the food. False. And a canine வந்து piercing, flesh eating animal, piercing and chewing. 10th one, food gets digested gradually while passing through various parts of the alimentary canal. That is true. I hope you could follow this. Then 2.3, digestion in grass-eating animals. They are called ruminants. The part of the stomach where grass-eating animals store their swallowed food is called rumen. This part of the stomach where grass-eating animals store their swallowed food is the rumen. Then the partially digested food inside the stomach of grass-eating animal is called curd. Chewing the curd, CUD, curd. Third one, which of the following option enlists some ruminants? Human, lion, goat. Human வந்து ruminant கிடையாது. Goat, cow, camel. Then buffalo, deer and dog. இதுல dog வந்து ruminant கிடையாது. Then D option, cow, buffalo and pig. Clear இருக்கா பார்த்துக்கோ. Cow, buffalo and pig. So இதுல correct option வந்து B. Goat, cow and camel. The grass eating animals are called ruminants. சரியா? So இதுல goat, cow and camel are the ruminant animals. Fourth one, rumen is present between, rumen வந்து stomach chamber. Stomach chamber வந்து 4 டைப்பா இருக்கும். rumen in grass eating animal வந்து stomach வந்து 4 டைப்பா இருக்கும். அந்த 4 டைப் தான் இங்க உனக்கு வந்து சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அப்பவே நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் வீடியோல வந்து சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இருந்தாலும் இதை பாரு. ruminants have, இந்த சைடில் இந்த ஒரு ஃபில்லப் இருக்கு பாரு, ஒரு பாக்ஸ் மெசேஜ் இருக்கு பாரு, அதுல பாரு. ruminants have, ரெட் டாட் தெரியுதா? ruminants have complicated stomach consisting of 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. I repeat, ruminants have complicated stomach consisting of 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Since digestion occurs in the rumen only, it is called true stomach of ruminants. They are able to digest cellulose as they contain bacteria and other microbe in their stomach in assisting the digestion of cellulose. Whereas human being cannot digest cellulose as they don't have the in cellulose digesting bacteria in their stomach. இந்த நாலு chamber name rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. இது வந்து ரொம்ப important படிச்சுக்கோ. I hope you understand. Then so இதுல வந்து நம்ம fourth question. Rumen is present between esophagus and small intestine. சரியா? இப்போ வந்து நான் வந்து C சொல்லிட்டு இங்க வரேன். வேற இந்த பாக்ஸ் இந்த ரெட் டாட் தெரியுதா? அது வந்து esophagus. இது வந்து esophagus. Then இந்த லைன் தான் rumen. First box வந்து rumen, second வந்து small intestine, third box large intestine, cecum, stomach. I repeat, esophagus, rumen, small intestine, large intestine, cecum and stomach. Are you clear? இப்போ rumen, fourth option rumen, fourth question. Rumen is present between esophagus and the small intestine. Small intestine label பார்த்தியா? Esophagus பார்த்தியா? So in between them, small intestine. சரியா? Then fifth question. Cow and buffalo can digest grass due to the presence of bacteria in their stomach. Cow and buffaloes can digest grass due to the presence of bacteria in their stomach. Now fill in the blanks. Curd chewing animals are also called as ruminants. Curd chewing animals are also called as ruminants. Animals like cows, buffaloes store the partially digested food in the rumen. Animals like cows, buffaloes store the partially digested food in the rumen. The process where partially digested food from the stomach is returned back to the mouth and then chewed. And the sentence fill panniko. Mouth and then chewed again is called rumination. What is called rumination? The process where the partially digested food from the stomach is returned back to the mouth and then chewed again is called rumination. Then fourth question, cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. Fifth one, a large sac-like structure in the stomach of ruminants where digestion of grass takes place is called rumen. Again it is called rumen. I hope you understand. So the figure சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கேன். First box, esophagus, rumen, small intestine, large intestine, cecum and stomach. சரியா? So the four chambers of rumen வந்து stomach of ruminants வந்து important படிச்சுக்கோ. Next one is feeding and digestion. இப்போ first நம்ம பார்த்தது வந்து digestion in grass eating animal. அடுத்தது வந்து feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba நம்ம descriptionல சொல்லிருக்கேன் வீடியோல. ஸோ நான் வந்து இப்போ கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ இதை மாதிரி தான் நான் கேட்பேன். அதனால அக்கார்டிங்லி நீ படிச்சிடுவா. ஓகே, ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸையே கொஞ்சம் கோத்ரூ பண்ண. யூ கோ த்ரூ த லெசன், நோ நீட் டு மக் அப் எனி கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர்ஸ். யூ கோ த்ரூ த லெசன் அண்ட் தென் இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸை பார்த்துடுவா. இதை மாதிரி தான் கேட்பேன். Amoeba is a microscopic organism, single cell organism found in pond water. All of this. What is the answer? Answer all of this. Number 2, amoeba has small bubble-like structure in its cytoplasm called vacuole. Nucleus கிடையாது, சூடுபடியா கிடையாது, சிலியா கிடையாது. Answer வந்து vacuole. Third question. Third one, finger-like projections in amoeba are called pseudopodia. Finger-like projection in amoeba are called pseudopodia. Fourth one, amoeba has cell membrane, dense nucleus, many vacuole, only one pseudopodia. An answer, amoeba has cell membrane, nucleus irukku, vacuole undu. Ana only one pseudopodia kedadu. It has many pseudopodia. So answer vandu D option 1, 2 and 3. D option. Adula vandu cell membrane undu, dense nucleus irukku, many vacuoles undu. I hope you understand. Then B, observe the given figure and note down the steps involved. Step 1, ingestion. Ingestion and the food vacuole ulla poruva. Ingestion. Step 1, ingestion la step 1, the red dot la step idla and food vandu ulla poruva. So it is called step 1 and ingestion, where food is drawn in and then it forms a food vacuole. So in the moon idla forming the food vacuole, and then step 2 la vandu it starts digesting. So step 2 and digestion. I hope you understand. So first step 1 la food ulla poikirudhu, then it forms the food vacuole. So step up, then it starts digestion. So step 2 and digestion. Then after digesting, the undigested food material is sent out. So that is step 3, egestion. So the marking la step 1 ingestion, step 2 digestion, step 3 egestion. Adha mari unakku fill up panna theriyanum. Are you clear? Then C, fill in the blanks. When amoeba senses food, it traps it with the help of pseudopodia. Fill up. It traps it with the help of pseudopodia. Cell structure of amoeba consists of cell membrane around dense nucleus and many vacuole. I repeat, cell structure of amoeba consists of cell membrane around dense nucleus and many vacuoles. Question 3. Food is digested inside the food vacuole in amoeba by secreting digestive juices. Secreting digestive juices. Then fourth one, digested food absorbed by amoeba is used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. Answer, growth, maintenance and multiplication. Question 5. Undigested residue of food is expelled outside the body of amoeba by the vacuoles. Right? Then question 6. Pseudopodia, also called false feet. Pseudo na false, podia na feet. So pseudopodia, also called false feet, help in the movement and capture of food. Are you clear? So fill up the first traps and pseudopodia. Second one, cell membrane, nucleus, vacuole. Third, digestive juices. 4, growth, maintenance and multiplication. 5, vacuole. 6 one, pseudopodia. Okay, so like other nutrients, do minerals and vitamins also need to be broken down into simpler forms for digestion? ஒரு பூஜோக்கு ஒரு டயட் வருது, டெய்லி சொல்றா, minerals and vitamins do not need to be changed during digestion because our body cells can easily absorb them as they are. Are you clear? I hope you are able to follow this. இந்த questions வந்து நல்லா follow பண்ணிக்கோ. Second one. Next, select the correct option. Side la வந்து structure of teeth இருக்கு. Lower jaw நினைக்கிறேன். Lower jaw. அதில் வந்து first one molar, premolar, incisors, canine. நம்ம first diagram ஆயிட்டுனே பார்த்திருக்கோம். Molar, premolar, incisor, canine. So select the correct option, incisor and canine. Which teeth in the given figure are incorrectly labeled? அது வந்து incisors and canine. They are incorrectly labeled. I hope you are following. Yeah? So first incisors இருக்கணும். நாலு இந்த canine வந்து incisor இருக்கணும். அடுத்தது வந்து canine இருக்கணும். So incisors and canine are incorrectly labeled. I hope you understand. இந்த லேபிளிங்ல canine இருக்கிற இடத்துல incisors வரணும். Incisors இருக்கிற இடத்துல canine போகணும். So the incorrect labeling is that. Second one, dash or pointed teeth present in our mouth, canine. Dash or pointed teeth present in our mouth, answer வந்து canine. Third one, complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. Third question, complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. சரியா? Then fourth one, correct mark பண்ணிக்கோ. Fourth one, which of the following statement is not true? Which of the following statement is not true? A. Mode of taking food into the body varies in different organisms. B. Bees and hummingbirds suck nectar of flowers. C. Hydra catches food with the help of its tentacle. D. Lice and mosquitoes chew their food by grinding with the teeth. That is not true. That is false statement. Then question 5. Dental formula for adult human. 2123, 2123 தான். இது வந்து incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Upper jaw and lower jaw. Option வந்து A. Question 6. Amoeba is a single cell organism which sends out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia for movement and capture of food. Option B. Question 7. Teeth that are used for biting an apple are incisors. The teeth that are used for biting an apple are incisors. Question 8. Select the incorrect statement. Large intestine is called large because its length is greater than small intestine. Incorrect statement. Large intestine large னு கிடையாது. அது வந்து வேற structure இருக்கு. So minerals and vitamins do not need to be broken down during digestion. Correct. Mucus of stomach protects the lining of stomach from action of enzyme. Correct. Small intestine is smaller in diameter than larger intestine. The correct answer வந்து A option. Are you clear? Then next one. It is the given list. இது interesting இருக்கும் பாரு. Given list contain characteristics of organ A and organ B of human body. என்ன சொல்லிருக்கு? Organ A, food is completely digested here. The substance produced is carried to all parts of the body. Organ B வந்து water absorption takes place here and substance produced is expelled out of the body. Out of the body எழுதிருக்கேன் பார்த்துக்கோ. கொஞ்சம் sentence cut ஆயிருக்கு. So refer to the characteristics and select the option which correctly identifies organ A and B. So organ A என்னெல்லாம் சொல்லிருக்குன்னா small intestine, organ B ல வந்து esophagus கிடையாது. அடுத்து stomach வந்து food complete digest ஆகாது. Large intestine ல வந்து water absorption. So உனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா food வந்து small intestine ல completely digested. அந்த answer தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். சரியா? And then அதுலயே through villi substance is carried out to all parts of the body. So ரெண்டுமே small intestine. அது வந்து organ A. Organ B ல esophagus கிடையாது. லிவரும் கிடையாது. லிவர் வந்து it secretes bile and it digests fat. Esophagus வந்து it is only a food pipe. So இந்த ரெண்டுல மிச்சம் என்ன இருக்கு? Large intestine. So answer வந்து organ A small intestine, organ B large intestine. Organ A small intestine, organ B large intestine. So answer வந்து D. I hope you understand. Question 10. Question 10. Which of the following is called true stomach in the ruminants? A. Abomasum, B. Vomasum, C. Rumen, and D. Reticulum. Answer வந்து C. Rumen. Rumen is a true stomach. Stomach வந்து 4 chambers in ruminants, அதாவது grass eating animals. அதனால abomasum, vomasum, rumen and reticulum. Actually நான் இப்படி படிச்சுக்கிறதுல வந்து rumen வந்து true stomach. Then question 11. Select the correct match. Digestion, breakdown of food into simpler form. Correct. Assimilation, expulsion of undigested food from the body. கிடையாது. Assimilation வந்து absorb what is that? Synthesizing the absorbed food from the small intestine. At the absorption, utilization of absorbed food. Actually, assimilation the utilization of absorbed food. Egestion வந்து release of digested food from the body. சரியா? So இதுல எது correct statement னா correct statement னா 1 digestion, breakdown of food into simpler form, and fourth one release of egestion and expulsion of undigested food. So answer வந்து A option மட்டும். Only one is correct. Then question 12. Select the incorrect analogy. Question 12. Select the incorrect analogy. Incorrect. Cowக்கு வந்து cellulose. Correct. It will digest. Human வந்து starch, carbohydrate digestion. Frog வந்து it will have sticky tongue. Frog வந்து sticky tongue. Parameciaத்துக்கு வந்து tentacle சொல்ல மாட்டோம், cilia. Paramecium will have cilia, not tentacles. Then Hydra-க்கு cilia கிடையாது, tentacles. Whereas mosquito-க்கு proboscis. Correct. So இதுல question என்னன்னா select the incorrect analogy. அப்ப எதுக்கு தப்பு? செகண்டும் தேர்டும் தப்பு. என்ன தப்பு? பரமேசியத்துக்கு சிலியாவும் ஹைட்ராக்கு டென்டக்கிள்ஸும் correct answer. So option வந்து C, second and third. I hope you understand. Question 13. Select the correct statement. The liver secretes bile juice which is stored in the gallbladder. The top surface of our tongue is rough due to presence of enamel. There are 32 pairs of teeth present in human adult. Each child possesses a pair of 10 milk teeth. Answer வந்து D, 1 and 4. Answer வந்து D, 1 and 4. Then question 14. Question 14. In assimilation, let us select the correct option. In assimilation, glucose is used during cellular respiration. Bile is used to make fatty acids. Amino acids are used for building and repairing body parts. Glycerols are used to build new protein. Option வந்து A, 1 and 3. Select the correct option. Option வந்து 1 and 3. I hope you understand. Then question 15. Select the incorrect statement. Papillae are a part of small intestine. There are finger-like projection in large intestine called villi. That is tappu. Pancreas secretes bile juice and mucus. That is the wrong. And abomasum in ruminant possess microorganism called digestive cellulose. இதுல வந்து incorrect statement. Second one, incorrect statement. Second and third. Option வந்து second and third. Option B is correct. Option B வந்து correct. I hope you understand. அதுவும் தப்பு, இதுவும் தப்பு. Papillae are present in Abomasum in ruminant possess microorganism instincts. இப்போ எல்லாமே தப்பு ஆப்ஷன் வந்து எல்லாமே தப்பு தான் இது right. Then fill in the blanks. Animals are called heterotrophs. Animals are called heterotrophs as they eat food from both plants and animals. Second, canines are sharp pointed teeth used for tearing food. Third one, enamel. Third one, enamel is the white hard substance that covers our teeth. Fourth one, the process of chewing food which involves movement of jaws and teeth is called mastication. I repeat, first one, heterotroph. Second, canine. Third, enamel. Fourth, mastication. I hope you understand. So this is fill in the blanks. இதோட continuation இருக்கு. Continuation fill up. Number 5. Liver and bile. Liver secretes bile that aids in the digestion of fat. I repeat. Liver secretes bile that aids in the digestion of fat. Sixth one, muscles of esophagus gently push food down to the stomach. Fill up on the stomach. And in a wave-like action called peristalsis. நான் peristalsis பத்தி ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அந்த ஆன்சர் நீ படிக்கணும். 7. During digestion, carbohydrates get broken down into sugars. Fill up on the sugars. Fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol and proteins into amino acids. So fill up on the sugar, fatty acids, glycerol, amino acids. Then 8th one, assimilation is the process of using absorbed nutrients by the body for producing energy and for growth of the body. 9. Large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. Large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. 10th one, ruminants are able to digest cellulose due to the presence of cellulose digesting bacteria present in the rumen of their stomach. Ruminant bacteria வந்து rumenல தான் present. நம்ம 15th ஒன்ல பார்த்தோம்ல abomasum in ruminant possess micro அது கிடையாது. அதனால ஆப்ஷன் வந்து D சொல்லிருக்கேன். Okay. So ruminants are able to digest cellulose due to presence of cellulose digesting bacteria present in the rumen of their stomach. Then C, observe the given figure. First spider, second B mosquito, C வந்து infant, D வந்து digestive systemல liver and pancreas in human. Okay. Identify the organism in given figure A, spider, and write its mode of taking food, sucking. What is the kind of food and mode of feeding in organs shown in figure B? Mosquito will suck blood. Third one, name the type of set of teeth in the girl shown in the figure. It is milk teeth. The girl will have milk teeth. Fourth one, label the part, digestive system, and write down its function. It is the gallbladder. Print clear arka theriyala. It is gallbladder storing bile. Gallbladder storing bile. I hope you are able to follow this. Then true or false? Tongue helps in mixing the saliva with the food. True. Bile breaks up fat into tiny droplets that can be digested more easily. True. Third one, complete digestion of food occurs in large intestine. False. Fourth one, esophagus transfers food from the mouth to stomach. True. Digestion of starch begins in the stomach and completes small intestine. False. Sixth one, direction of peristaltic movement is reversed during vomiting. True. 7. During assimilation, digested food passes into the blood in human. True. Pancreatic juice acts only on protein. That is false. And 10th one, villi helps in Will help in digestion of food in small intestine? True. Only will help in digestion of food in small and will absorb the digested food. அதனால இது வந்து false. I hope you have marked correctly. Then கொஞ்சம் video pass பண்ணி slow-ஆ note பண்ணிக்கோ. Then at the last வந்து select the correct option. Digestion of food starts in the buccal cavity and ends in the small intestine. So true or false மட்டும் repeat பண்றேன். First true, second true, third false, fourth true, fifth false, sixth true, seventh false, eighth true, 9 and 10 false. I hope you understand. So prepare well for remaining hours given and study well for the test and do the test well. Wish you all the best. Thank you.